everyone, this is Simon. In the past, we have been too busy to produce and ship many parts every day. I and my teams have worked for 23 o'clock every day, so there was no time to update the video. But today, I'm come back, continue our video. This is my first time to make a video when I'm driving a car. Today, the temperature is very low. Go. Let's look at the 6:30 o'clock in Shenzhen. Wow, today is raining. I will arrive the factory. Wow! Ooh. Wow! 37. Let's go to. This is the military and the PK. Okay. Wow, it's so many parts. Because it's too big, we can put it in the room. So many parts. Today let's go to, and this is a painting. It's very beautiful. And last night and yesterday, we were walking to the 24 o'clock. So it's we are very busy. And this is not finished. Okay, my friends. Wow, this part, it's a Mitsubishi 316L and very big. But the part is very beautiful. Very nice. Look at this. Very small. and every part will found the small room to guarantee everyone